Hey tool enthusiasts! Welcome to Samaditech, where we showcase the latest and greatest tools available. Stick around as we dive into cutting-edge gadgets that can elevate your projects. The Prime Grip Knuckle Saver Knife is an excellent tool for roofers, especially designed to guard your palms even as slicing. Its cope width is crafted from lightweight, long-lasting aluminum, imparting each energy and comfort. The blade, made from high-fine stainless steel, ensures sharpness, durability, and rust resistance. Measuring 8 inches in period, this knife is ideally fitted for most roofing responsibilities, neither too big to be unwieldy nor too small to be useless. It's a thoughtfully designed device that combines protection and performance, making it a must-have for roofing specialists. The Sacer Multifunctional Marking Tool is a ways more than just a pencil. It is a versatile tool designed to mark on almost any floor, even in hard situations. Made from anodized aluminum alloy, its miles both lightweight and notably long-lasting, resisting rust and breakage. This device capabilities a clear, specific scale for drawing parallel strains and arcs, and it locks securely after every adjustment to make certain accuracy. With over 15 one-of-a-kind features, it is ideal for responsibilities which include tile work, drywall installation, paneling, fixtures making, and lots extra. The Gripclavine mount from Prime Grip is made from high-grade military-grade steel, offering 30% more thickness compared to standard mounts for superior leverage and durability. It's designed to resist scratches and stress, making it ideal for tough working conditions. The patented design incorporates 6 different nail pullers, including the classic drop-shaped puller and the innovative flat claw. The flat claw feature allows for the removal of shingles and waterproofing materials without causing damage, saving on material costs. This tool blends strength, efficiency, and innovation in a single, robust design. Toughbuilt Knife Scraper is a highly versatile tool that combines 2 essential functions in one compact design. With the press of a button, it switches between scraper and knife modes, saving space in your toolbox and adding convenience. In scraper mode, it effortlessly removes old paint and stickers, making it ideal for windows, mirrors, and tiles. In knife mode, it cuts through materials like carpets, cardboard, plastic, and rope with ease. The tool uses universal blades, and the set includes 5 replacements that fit most other knives. Changing the blade is quick and easy, just press a button. The rubberized, non-slip handle ensures a firm grip even when hands are sweaty, and a special protrusion prevents fingers from slipping onto the blade. Additional features include a paint can opener and a lanyard hole, making this a multifunctional and reliable tool. Worksharp Electric Sharpener is a highly adaptable tool designed to sharpen a wide variety of knives and tools with ease. Utilizing flexible sharpening belts, a professional-grade technology now accessible for home use, it can handle everything from kitchen knives to pen knives and even lawnmower blades. The sharpener comes equipped with a built-in guide that ensures precise sharpening angles every time, with adjustable settings ranging from 25 degrees for hiking knives to 20 degrees for kitchen knives. The Mark I also features a 2-speed motor, offering a lower speed for delicate sharpening, ideal for knives, and a higher speed for heavier-duty tasks like sharpening axes or lawnmower blades. Its edge guide helps support the blade for easy sharpening from base to tip and can be removed for blades with unique shapes or features. Whether you're maintaining your kitchen tools or prepping outdoor gear, this sharpener makes the job effortless and precise. The Murat 8-piece engine toolkit is a must-have for engine enthusiasts, designed to simplify working with piston rings during engine repairs. This kit makes compressing and installing piston rings effortless, saving time and reducing hassle. It includes 3 piston ring compressors in different sizes, 3 inches, 4 inches, and 6 inches, making it compatible with nearly any automobile engine. The largest tool can accommodate pistons with diameters ranging from 60 mm to 195 mm. Each piston ring compressor is constructed from nickel-plated spring steel, offering durability, rust resistance, and long-lasting performance. The set also features specialized piston ring pliers made from chrome vanadium steel, equipped with a built-in spring for added flexibility and ease of use. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this toolkit will make engine repair smoother and more efficient. The Sawet Pro Angle Meter is a revolutionary tool featuring patented scales that allow you to find the correct angle effortlessly, eliminating the need for complex calculations. It's designed to be simple, fast, and remarkably accurate. What sets this angle gauge apart is its adaptability. Whether you're working on crown molding, cutting floorboards, or dealing with any angle, whether single, double, inside, or outside, the Sawet Pro ensures precise results every time. Its large, easy-to-read scales enhance accuracy by allowing you to see the correct markings clearly, even in low light conditions. Crafted from durable ABS plastic, this tool is lightweight but sturdy enough to handle demanding tasks. The Exotac NanoSpark is a compact, highly efficient fire starter designed for one-handed operation, making it ideal even in situations where one hand is injured. Its ease of use means you'll need little practice to get the hang of it. A key feature is the replaceable flint. Just unscrew the brass screw inside the flint compartment to swap it out. The NanoSpark can store up to 5 spare flints, so you're always prepared. The device also includes a dedicated compartment for storing quick-light tinder, which ignites immediately upon contact with a spark when crushed. The NanoSpark's unique silicone wheel, with its large and deep teeth, produces an impressive burst of sparks, ensuring a reliable fire-starting experience. Additionally, a built-in slot for a lanyard adds portability, while dual O-rings keep the fire starter dry and ready for use in any weather conditions. The best-equipped tractor. Forklift attachment is a heavy obligation device designed to boost up to 2,000 pounds, making it an critical accent for tractors and forklifts. Its flexible design fits most tractors and forklifts, with forks measuring 43 inches in length and 2.8 inches in width, presenting sturdy guide for heavy hundreds. Installation is easy. Simply slide the forks into the bucket and tighten the screws. The forks are equipped with chain holes and safety slots to hold your load secure whilst operating. Built from long-lasting steel with a rust-resistant powder-covered finish, this forklift attachment is engineered for long-lasting overall performance, making sure years of reliable use in difficult environments.